Hi, today on Ben's Worx, I'm going to show you my Ryobi thickness planer.
Okay, so this is the model I have. It's the Ryobi RAP1500G, and there's a few of the specs on it. So what I'll do today is I'll just run a couple of pieces of timber through it just so you guys can see how well it works. The dust extraction on this unit, the port is 50mm port, and I run a 90mm extraction in the shop, so I've just had to put a reducer on it so I can hook it up. Now this machine does produce a little bit of sniping, which you can just see right at the end there, just there. Now it hasn't been enough to affect me in what I need to use it for, but if it does become a problem, I'll end up just putting a big board through here and just running on top of that. So I do believe it's caused by these tables flexing as the piece goes through. So well, there it is, guys. Just a quick video on my Ryobi thickness planer. It's not the most expensive planer on the market. This one cost me about 440 Australian dollars, so probably mid-range. It's a nice little planer, does what I need it to do, so thanks for watching.